Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to create a free SSL certificate. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to SSL.com. Next, create an account on SSL using your email ID. Sign into your SSL account with your email ID. Once logged in, go to the Get Free SSL section. On the dashboard, click on New Certificate. Enter your domain name and click on Next Step. Select the 90-day certificate option, as this is the free one. Now verify your domain ownership. You can use methods like DNS or file verification. Finally, finalize your product, and you're done. And there you have it. You've successfully created a free SSL certificate using SSL. It's a quick and easy way to secure your website. Remember, SSL certificates are crucial for protecting your visitors' data and boosting your website's trustworthiness. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.